Okay, YouTube, back here again, Justin Hughes. I'm going to be doing a review on the Penn fishing rod from Amazon.com for $13 and some change and free shipping. So let's start off with the rod. Closed length, I think it's 8 inches. I have pretty big hands. So, it looks like, and I like to open it by kind of do this with one hand, but pull it out by each section individually, like that, and have them all lined up. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so here it is. It's 36 inches from handle to tip, extended. And pretty flimsy. I mean, it's not really right, and I'm barely putting any weight on it. That's just the weight of the rod bending. That right there. So, I mean, you'll be able to feel it's going to be pretty sensitive. I mean, it's not going to be the sensitive rod, the most sensitive rod that you've ever had. So, that's the rod. Start off with the reel. It looks like everything is cheap plastic except for the bail and the screw right there. It comes with brace pulled line. I mean, when I was watching the reviews on them, it said that the line is trash and you're going to have to take it off immediately. Well, not in my case, because this is the same line that came on it. It's like 8-pound test, and everybody says it's all tangly. This isn't tangly. I can cast good with it. It doesn't get tangled on me. So, and you have to stick with the stock reel because the edges that go into the handle are smaller than the others. So, that's my review on the Penn fishing rods from Amazon.com. Comment, rate, subscribe. See you next time.